Hi, this is Jim at 6959 Peggy Drive, and I want to show you what we need to do. Here's the kitchen sink. That water's been in there. This is the second day. Back here is the cast iron pipe. So what we need to do is cut out this drywall to chase the pipe down. This is the bottom of the cabinet. This needs to be removed. Drywall cut out, insulation cut out. Underneath this cabinet is the cement slab. And that has to be cut out. The dirt has to be dug up. And I'll show you outside here. This right here, this water spot, now here's the kitchen window, okay? This water spot is where water is coming back up from underneath the slab. The drain pipe to the kitchen comes straight down this wall, and then it goes out here through the yard and dumps into the city sewer system. The pipe is damaged right here where the elbow is, where it comes down and then it turns going that way. This concrete here needs to be cut out about 2 foot wide, and anywhere from right here to right here needs to be cut out, so I can replace all the cast iron pipe with the black ABS plastic pipe, which never rusts or goes bad. So that's what needs to be done. Okay, thank you. The reason the kitchen sink is clogging up like it is because the pipe is rusted. It caves in, and sand and dirt dump into the pipe, which doesn't allow the water to go out and flow to the sewer.